Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the online science class. So, my dear children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and you are safe. Okay, so we have completed our semester 2 book, right? So, from today onwards, we are gonna to revise all the chapters in the class. Okay, so I'm gonna to read the textbook and make you to mark the important sentence in the textbook so that you can learn very easily for your exam and you can prepare for your exam. Okay, so first two chapter already you have learned and already you have written the home test, right? So we will start our revision from the last chapter, from chapter 7, then chapter 6, then chapter 5. Okay, so I will send the notes today. Okay, I will send the remaining notes today. You can copy it in your notebook. After that, take a snapshot and send to my number. Okay, so we will start the class. So take your textbook and take a pencil along with you. Okay, take your textbook and take a pencil along with you, and we will start the class. Okay. Okay. First, we will start with the last lesson. Okay, chapter 7. What's the topic of the chapter? Our moon and our earth and the moon, right? So take a pencil along with you. Okay, we will mark it. Okay, first sentence about solar system, right? So first, it's a common one. So sun, planet, satellite, asteroid, another heavenly body, they together form the solar system. It's given. It's the present. Before entering into the topic, it's just a common one. What are the topics we are going to learn in this chapter now? Okay, then first, earth is the third planet from the sun, right? Earth is the third planet from the sun. Okay, so why it is an unique planet? The presence of water and oxygen rich air on the surface of earth make it a unique planet. Okay, then the surface of the earth is covered approximately 70% of the water and 30% of the land. Okay, then move to the layers of earth. Okay, so what are the layers of the earth? Okay, three importance of the layers of the earth: crust, mantle and core. Okay, crust, mantle and core. Okay, first we will start with crust. Okay, so crust is the outermost layer of the earth, and earth crust is made up of rocks and minerals. Okay, rocks and minerals. Then mantle is the layer below the crust and it is the thickest among the layers of the earth. Did you mark? Okay, we'll move to the next page. Then the lower part is made up of molten rocks called magma. Okay, the lower part is made up of molten rocks called magma. Okay, then mantle makes 84% of the earth volume. Then core forms the center of the earth. It is the hottest part of the earth. Then core is made of metals such as nickel and iron. Okay, have you written? Okay, then movement of the earth. Okay, earth rotates on its own axis. The axis is an imaginary line. It's titled at an angle of 23.5 degree. Okay, so it's an important one, 23.5 degree. Then earth spins on its axis and this movement is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Okay, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Okay, then the next page. day and night. In that first revolution, okay, earth revolves around the sun in its orbit. This movement is called revolution. The revolution of the earth around the sun on its titled axis called causes seasons. Okay, then there is another imaginary line around the earth called equator. Okay, then have marked? Yes. Then turn to next page. Places around the equator receives 12 hours of sunlight. Have you marked up to this much? Okay. Then below moon is given, right? So moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It takes 27.3 days to go around the earth. Okay. Then the moon does not have the light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. Okay. It reflects the light of the sun. Okay. The next page. The surface of the moon is covered with craters. Craters are deep holes that are made when comets and asteroids crash into the moon's surface. Okay. Then phases of moon. Okay. Then the changing in shape is called phases of moon. Then learn the phases of the moon. Okay. First new moon, then half moon, then gibbous moon, then full moon. Okay. Learn the phases of the moon. First one new moon, second crescent, third half moon, fourth gibbous moon, and fifth full moon. Learn the phases of the moon. Okay. Then turn to next page. So these stages are called the waxing phases of the moon. Okay. These stages are called waxing phases of the moon. Okay. Then the cycle, reversed cycle is called waning phases of the moon. Okay. Reversed size. Okay. Reversed. Then formation of tide. Tides in oceans and seas occur because of earth and moon interaction. Highest tide occurs during full moon or new moon phase of the moon. Low tide occurs when the level of the sea is very low. Okay. Then at such time, the one in the middle casts show a shadow which partially or wholly hides the other form of the sun. That is called an eclipse. The next one, lunar eclipse. Okay, in that read this line. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, it blocks sunlight from reaching the moon and create the shadow on the moon. This is called lunar eclipse. Okay, then lunar eclipse usually occurs on a full moon night. Okay, then like that only solar eclipse, read up to this much. When the moon comes between the earth and the sun, it blocks a part of the sunlight from reaching the earth. This is called a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse can last up to 7.5 minutes. Okay, 7.5 eclipse. And a solar eclipse occurs on a new moon day. Okay, solar eclipse occurs on a new moon day. Then next page. Okay, then the first men to land on moon were Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. Okay, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. Okay, then they were sent to moon as a part of American space mission Apollo 11. Then Indian mission to moon, 2 mission, Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. Okay, then ISRO full form is given here, very important one. ISRO full form, Indian Space Research Organization. See, the first letter of every word should be in caps. Okay, first letter of every word should be in caps. Okay, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Okay, it is situated in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then we will go for marking the one word question. Okay, then first filling the blank. It takes dash hours for the earth to spin once on its axis. On its own axis means how many times it needs? It needs 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. Okay, then one revolution of the earth is dash days long. How many days? One revolution means 365 days. Okay, 365 days. Then dash is the only natural satellite of our planet Earth. It is MOON, moon. Okay, moon is the only natural satellite of our planet Earth. Okay, then the bulging of the moon from gibbous to full moon phase is called as gibbous to full moon. So it is a which phase? Waxing phase of the moon. Waxing phase of the moon. Okay, WAXING, waxing phase of the moon. Then the reverse cycle of waxing of the moon is called which phase? Waning phase, WANING, waning phase of the moon. Okay, don't worry about that. I will send the answers in the WhatsApp group. Okay, don't worry. Choose the correct answer. 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, then turn to next page. 3 important layers are crust, dash and core. Crust, mantle and core. Okay, then dash is titled at an angle of 23.5 degree, which is earth axis. Okay, dash divides the earth into 2 halves, northern and southern hemisphere. Equator. Okay, equator. The surface of the moon is covered with craters. Okay, craters. Then say true or false. The earth is orbiting the moon. True or false? False. Okay, the earth is not orbiting the moon. Okay, the sun is revolving around the earth. It is also false. The earth is revolving around the sun. Okay, the earth is revolving around the sun. Okay, then the moon is orbiting the earth. It is true. Okay, the moon is orbiting the earth. Okay, the moon is orbiting the earth. Then next one, the earth is orbiting the sun. Yes, it is true. Earth is orbiting the sun. Okay, then the moon is revolving around the earth. It is also true. Okay. Okay, this is enough today. I will send the notes in the group. Copy it in your notebook. If you have any doubt, we will discuss it in the Zoom interaction class, or you can call me or you can text me. Okay. So bye bye. Take care. Thank you.